Good morning, dear students. So let us continue with the chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. And in our last video link, I have just started with the concept of equivalent mass, that is equivalent weight of an element. So equivalent weight of an element formula already that I have written is atomic mass upon valency of that element. Okay, and we have seen the example also. So continuing with the same concept, that is calculation of equivalent weight for different types of compounds. In that next category is equivalent weight of normal salt. Now simple example we take here of normal salt, that is table salt, sodium chloride. Now sodium chloride, जैसे आपने यहाँ पे देखा है कि NaCl और हमने यहाँ पे एटॉमिक मास ऑफ सोडियम लिखा है 23, एटॉमिक मास ऑफ Cl 35.5, दोनों को ऐड किया है डिवाइडेड बाय 1। अब इसका मीनिंग क्या है और हमको फॉर्मूला कैसे मिलेगा? तो फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ सॉल्ट, नॉर्मल सॉल्ट, इज नथिंग बट molecular mass of that salt, okay, molecular mass of that salt divided by the valency of cation, the valency of cation। जैसे आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है 23 प्लस 35.5 58.5, ये हो गया molecular mass सोडियम क्लोराइड का, डिवाइडेड बाय वैलेंसी ऑफ Na। आपको क्लियरली यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि वैलेंसी ऑफ Na कितना है, +1 है, तो 1 यहाँ पे लिखा तो आपका आंसर फाइनली क्या आएगा 58.5। So this way you can calculate the equivalent weight of a normal salt. Now equivalent weight of an acid. Example taken here is HCl and then H2SO, that is hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. So to calculate equivalent weight of an acid, the formula is molecular mass of that acid divided by number of replaceable hydrogen atoms। ठीक है, तो ये एग्जाम्पल क्या था समझिए। यहाँ पे इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ HCl कैसे कैलकुलेट किया हमने, मॉलिक्यूलर मास कैसे मिला हमको 36.5, 35.5 Cl एटॉमिक मास और हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास 1 है, ऐड करो 36.5 मिलेगा, डिवाइडेड बाय रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं एसिड में 1, तो डिवाइडेड बाय 1, आंसर वापस आपको 36.5 आएगा। सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड मॉलिक्यूलर मास 98, because atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, ऐड करने के बाद आपको मिलेगा 98 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। 2 क्यों लिखा है, क्योंकि रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं 2, तो 98 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 49। समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ अ बेस। इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ अ बेस इज नथिंग बट मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ दैट बेस डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोक्सिल आयंस। तो यहाँ पे मॉलिक्यूलर मास सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड 40 डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ रिप्लेसेबल OH ग्रुप। ये देखो OH ग्रुप कितना है 1, तो यहाँ पे 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 40। वैसे कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड में मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड 74 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। अब यहाँ पे 2 क्यों लिखा है, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप कितने हैं 2 है, तो 74 divided by 2 37। Okay, so this way you calculate the equivalent weight of any compound or element which is asked in your examination. Okay, you can practice some more example from the text. Okay, and slowly moving towards the relationship now between atomic mass and equivalent weight. Okay, so atomic mass is related to equivalent weight by this particular equation or formula. We can say atomic mass A is equal to equivalent weight multiplied by valency, and if gram atomic mass is asked, so that is nothing but gram equivalent weight multiplied by valency for that particular element, okay, or compound। Now the next formula here is to calculate number of gram equivalent weight for a molecule, and the molecule given here is acid. So how to calculate the number of gram equivalent weight? So formula is number of gram equivalent weight in case of H2SO4 sulfuric acid is mass of sulfuric acid. Now in this case example, if mass of sulfuric acid given in your question is 4.9 grams. Okay, so mass of sulfuric acid you write down in the numerator 4.9 divided by equivalent weight of sulfuric acid, that is 49, and you know how to calculate equivalent weight, already we have seen here. Okay, so answer will be 0.1. So in this way you get the number of gram equivalent for a molecule which is acid here. Now number of gram equivalent for compound like CO2. So again mass upon molar mass. So if mass given is 4.4 for CO2, molecular mass is 44, and our answer is 0.1 in this case also. Now dear students, almost coming to the last part of the chapter here, which involves volumetric calculation, very important. Practical examination point of view. Okay, so some calculation terms are very important for your examination, and we are just going to see the terms, okay, names today, and the detailed concept, okay, their formulas and explanation you will get in the next lecture. So the terms used in the volumetric calculation, first one, percentage by mass denoted by W upon W, percentage by volume denoted by capital V upon capital B, molarity denoted by capital M, molality small m, and finally mole fraction denoted by X. So as you come to know that the chapter, okay, consists of few relationship between the terms and formulas. Okay, so of course we have to solve problems. Okay, and for all this particular concept, wherever these formulas are used, okay, you will get the explanation how to solve the numericals, that is problems. आपको ये formulas पे based formula problems आपको यहाँ पे मैं explain करूँगा, और वो आपको ठीक से समझना है. Any doubts you can ask. So dear students, today we had these concepts in our lecture, that is continuation of equivalent weight, calculation of equivalent weight for normal salt and acid base, then the relationship between atomic mass and equivalent weight, then how to calculate number of gram equivalent weight or gram equivalent, and then number of gram molecules, and this we are of course going to continue in our next lecture. So just go through this video, understand the explanation. PDF already I have sent for this part, and also for the next part. Okay, so directly you will get the video for next part. So revise this part very well, and we'll continue in our next lecture. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.